The 1020 access denied error on a Cloudflare protected website occurs when a visitor is blocked due to security settings or firewall rules. Here's how to fix it. For website visitors, check your IP address. Your IP may be blocked by the website's security settings. Try using a different network or VPN. Clear browser cache and cookies. Go to browser settings and clear cache or cookies to remove stored restrictions. Disable VPN or proxy. Some sites block VPN or proxy traffic. Turn off your VPN and refresh the page. Contact the website owner. If you believe you're wrongly blocked, reach out to the website admin. For website owners, review Cloudflare firewall rules. Log into Cloudflare dashboard, security, WAF. Check if any firewall rule is blocking specific IPs or countries. Modify or remove restrictive rules. Check IP access rules. Go to security, IP access rules and whitelist the affected IPs. Adjust bot fight mode or rate limiting. If enabled, these features may block legitimate users. Adjust them under security settings.